welcome back to reality. We are finally able to hike on some of the state park lands here in Washington, and I am excitedly coming to you from Dosewallips State Park. This is a revisit, as most of the parks are right now, and just kind of hiking along, enjoying the trees, the moss, the green, the spring, and you can hear people actually doing yard work in the background. And why don't you come along with us? And here's a beautiful maple grove that makes my heart go pitter-patter. The forest is a lot of old trees, but it's mostly second growth. We'll see some notched stumps soon. But isn't this a beautiful, beautiful grove? Love to be able to, on a not so sunny day, I'd love to come back and photograph this. The sun kind of makes it a little harsh. I know I've photographed maple trees in harsh sunlight before, but this is a little bit too much. Oh, how I wish we had smell-o-vision. Our honeysuckle here is just divine. Of course, you put your nose up to it, you don't smell it, but it's carried on the breeze, and it's absolutely amazing. Kind of like a lupin. I always associate it with lupin because you can't smell lupin either if you stick your nose in it, but carried on the breeze, it's divine. So here we are at the end of another wonderful hike. Gosh, it was just gorgeous out there. The Rhodies were amazing. The big leaf maples were as awesome as ever. That honeysuckle, man, that smelled gorgeous. Kind of makes you itch to get up in the alpine meadows and smell more flowers on the breeze. But here we are again. Like I said, we're at the end of the hike. If you like this hike and like the content of my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, like this video if you like it. It's I'm hoping it turned out really pretty. And I also ring the bells so you're notified about other ones. Until then, it's great to be back outside hiking. Definitely lifts the spirit up a bit. It's been a kind of a long, hard slog, and just this little bit of being able to get out to the state parks for a wonderful little day hike has been amazing. So until next time, bye.